The engine might be the heart of the cars, but the heart will not take you anywhere. For that, you need wheels. While you use the same type of tires through rain or shine, on-road or off-road, a Formula One car uses different types of tires for various conditions on the track. Let me enlighten you a bit. In a normal car, if you have ball tires on it, that would be bad. But in a Formula One car, ball tires are actually good. Except they aren't called bald, they're called slicks. And slicks are great because without the grooves, it can have much more contact with the track and get a super grip. But what happens in a situation when it gets really wet? Well, it's all been thought of and figured out. They have a tire called wet tire, which is just perfect for when it's raining. You must be wondering, why the options? Well, if you take slick tires out when it's wet, we'll have a problem because they will be driving on the water instead of the track, because there's no place for the water to go through. And this will not only reduce the grip of the tire, but make the driver lose control as well. So basically, wet tires are grooved. Those grooves suck up the water and expel it on the track. And this gives the car more grip. For conditions between the very wet and the dry, the teams use intermediate tires. You know, racing drivers have one thing which I don't. It's a pit crew to store and take care of all their tires. I'm just so jealous. I can't imagine carrying so many different tires for so many different weather conditions, and that too with the size of my car boot. Ooh boy. Well, I really hope you're clear about the tires, because I want you to score 100% in the F1 aptitude test and join me in our pit crew. See ya!